Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is a super interesting tense, future perfect continuous tense. So, let's get started. Definition: the future perfect continuous tense shows that an action will continue up to a certain point in the future. It focuses on the duration of the action. Structure: for positive sentences, subject plus will have been plus verb, ing, plus object plus time reference. For negative sentences, subject plus will not have been plus verb, ing, plus object plus time reference. For interrogative sentences, will plus subject plus have been plus verb, ing, plus object plus time reference plus question mark. Real-life examples. Positive sentences example: I will have been working on this project all day. Negative sentences example: we will not have been waiting for more than 10 minutes. Interrogative sentences example: will she have been cooking dinner for 2 hours by 8 p.m.? So, that's all about the future perfect continuous tense. Now you know how to describe actions that will have been happening in the future. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to learn more English in the easiest way. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share for more English lessons.